lovely earthlings. It's nice to be back out in the wild. I'm back in Scotland. I'm here in Kinlochleven. Today I'm gonna be exploring the Mamores. I'm gonna do a high camp today. It's now 3 p.m. Quite late, but I'll try and get there as early as I can. Sunset is like, it's not till 10, so I should have plenty of daylight left. So yeah, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you stay put. I'll see you when I get up there. Let's go. Hi, good afternoon. That was quite a tough start. I'm just leaving the tree line now, so hopefully it will flatten out a little bit. Oh my word! So unfit. Well, that's Lochleven. That's Kinlochleven. It's quite stunning. I'm looking forward to it flattening out, but at the same time it's gonna be quite exposed to the sun. I finally reached the loch. I'm gonna try and find a spot to camp. I want that to be my view in the morning, so I'm gonna set up the tent facing that way. There isn't much flat ground, so I think I'm just gonna camp there. It's a bit bumpy, but that's the best I can find. I'm really tired, so I'm just gonna sit here. Okay, so this evening I'm gonna have salmon teriyaki for dinner. I was tagged by Tim from Cookely Bushcraft to do a 3-ingredient meal. So this is my take on it. I'm gonna use zucchini, ingredient number 1, salmon, ingredient number 2, and teriyaki sauce. This might be cheating, but hey ho. Tough. I'm gonna cook the courgettes first. Ooh, midges. I'm getting eaten alive by midges. Ah! Thank you, Tim, for tagging me. Check out his channel, Cookely Bushcraft. I'll put a link in the description box.
the light disappears, and when this world's insincere, you'll be safe here. When nobody hears you scream, I'll scream with you. You'll be safe here in my arms. Through the long cold night, sleep tight. You'll be safe here when no one understands. I'll believe you'll be safe. You'll be safe. You'll be safe here. That's me all tucked in. It's now midnight. Anyway, too tired. Good night. Put your heart in my hands. You'll be safe here. It's been raining since 7:30. It's now 8:30. This wasn't forecast. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. If it doesn't stop raining till 9:30, I'm just gonna pack up and leave anyway. Zero visibility. That's me ready to leave, and as always, my friends, leave no trace. Lovely. As it's so misty, I'm not even gonna attempt hiking up to Binnein anymore. Yeah, that's me at the bottom now. I'm back in Kinlochleven. There's quite a nice waterfall here in Kinlochleven. I've actually been here before. When I did the West Highland Way, I camped just below it. It's really nice. It's called the Grey Mares Tail. Yeah, so I fancy a dip in that one. It's on the way down, so there it is. This way. that's me done. I had a really nice dip in the waterfall. I'm now gonna make my way to Torridon because I wanna explore Binnein. Thank you for joining me here, and see you when I get there. Bye! Mwah.